favorite things because, of course, it's Favorite Things Friday. And I'd like to start with my favorite cleaner. I'm kind of on this cleaning kick. Have you noticed? Last week I brought in my carpet cleaner. This week I'm just showing you.
When you're quarantined, you need to have something to do.
I'm cleaning everything. We're cleaning out stuff. So a little bit more time at home. I'm sure a lot of people are doing that. One of my favorite cleaners is Mrs. Meyer's Cleaning Day. This is the multi-service concentrate, but you can see that they have all sorts of different scents. My favorites are lavender and lilac. And it does bring like a different scent in your home. And one thing I love about Mrs. Meyer's Cleaning Day stuff, when you get any type of cleaner, it doesn't overwhelm you. Like a lot of times you get the cleaners that have fumes that kind of make you feel like you're gagging. Well, Mrs. Meyer's isn't like that. So that's something to try if you're looking for something that doesn't smell too powerfully clean-esque, if you would say that, like bleachy, that kind of thing. It's not overwhelming. So that is one of my favorite things in the spring cleaning frenzy that's happening at my house right now.
I think everybody's house is happening right now. Although I do need to know, and maybe the viewers can help me out here, are there any places open for donations? I've done so much cleaning.
There are.
Are there?
Yes, actually the Salvation Army thrift store in Quincy I know is open on Mondays and Thursdays, but of course just check your local area. A lot of Facebook postings about that right now.
Because I'm sure a lot of people are in the same boat I am, that they just have all this pile of stuff to donate. Okay, well, it is springtime, and of course if you have pets, you know that a lot of fur comes with it, especially if you have a big dog.
Yes.
We have a husky, and so he likes to molt at least twice a year. Not really sure why, but he does. Springtime's the worst, and so now it looks like he has, like, I mean, he has hair hanging off of him.
Aww.
So I know, poor guy, and I brush him every day, but you know, it is what it is. Anyway, so Roscoe makes this really awesome heavy-duty wooden brush with like metal, but very gentle metal, and you brush the fur and it really gets it out and gets into the fur and really kind of gets some of those chunks out. Some of the brushes out there just don't quite get in deep enough. This brush does do that, and it does wonders, and it doesn't hurt the dog either. Sometimes they can be a little tender or a little sensitive. This works, and it gets the hair out quite nicely.
Well, what I like about it, you showed me earlier that the bottom of the brush kind of retracts a little bit.
It does, yep.
So you can get the hair out easy.
Super easy, and you just actually go with a grain of it, and it just comes right out.
How pretty cool. Well, what else is pretty awesome is looking forward to this forecast for the Mother's Day weekend.